Hey there YouTube, Franshopper here. It is Monday, October the 19th. Who wants to write a novel? It's that time of the month again. So, as you may have guessed from the little introduction there, this month's theme is novel writing. Now, before I open this up, I do want to give a huge shout out to Maido. They saw the last video for Volume 3, where we were missing the info card, and reached out to me and actually sent me a replacement. So if you did want to see the info card for Volume 3's box, that is now in the description of that video. Huge thank you to Maido for that, and I am going to go ahead and go forward and just scan all the info cards in the future. So, let's go ahead and let's open up Volume 4. And take a look at what we have inside. First of all, we do have the info card, which again, if you want to get a better look at this, I'm just going to scan these going forward because it's a lot easier. Let's go ahead and take a look at what we have. So here's our free gift bag. We'll set that to the side. And here's a look at what we have for this month, and I have another very bright pink something. So, let me go ahead and open up these two packages, and we'll take a greater look. Alright, so our miscellaneous freebies, of course, do include an ink sample. This month is a Pilot Iro Shizuku Kujaku, and this is interesting that it's this color, because looking at that, you'd never think those two colors go together, but apparently they do, so I'm going to have to take a look at that. This is amazing. This is obviously a custom Maido in a box little book, and if you think it's a notebook, well, it's so much more. This is a really cool, nice hardcover, sticky, notebook set, and this is some really good paper too, so this is awesome. We have a magnetic bookmark ruler, and then this is a little description book about one of the products that we're going to take a look at here in a second. And if you want to take a look at Midori's MD paper lineup and get the same information that's in this booklet, scan either one of those QR codes or enter in the URLs that you see there. So now, let's take a look at everything that came with the box, including an MD paper product. Alright, so let's take a look at the actual novel writing items that we have. Starting with, as I mentioned previously, this is a Midori MD paper notebook. These are actually really cool because they're kind of spineless in a way. When you open this up, it lays completely flat, no matter if you're on the first page, the middle, or the very last page. These I love a lot. This is what's called bunko size, which is the smallest size paperback book that you would find in Japan. So to give you an idea for scale, here is the Midori book alongside the Haruhi Suzumiya manga in Japanese. For additional scale, all the way behind it is the English release of the Haruhi Suzumiya manga. Next up, we have the Emmett set, 5-color set. This is number 8 retro color. These are cool looking. I'm definitely going to want to take a look at these. There are the colors that are inside. These are square shaped. I don't think you can really tell because of the way the box is designed, but they're square shaped, and they actually click into this bit here. This is actually a little holder for them, so that's really quite cool. Alright, up next we have the Zebra Blend 3C multi-pen, 0.5mm. You have a blue ink, a black ink, and of course the red ink. After that we have yet another one of these mild liner pens, the mild liner blue-green this time. One of these days I'm going to find an excuse to actually use one because Maido seems to always throw these in a box, And finally, we have a Delphonics A5 5 parts clear folder. So there's 5 little, bits that you can file in here. Looks like that. Very salmony color. And so there you have it. That is Volume 4 of Maido in a Box, the Novel Writing Edition. That's it.